All right, so we're going to spell out the word creative. And guess what the C stands for? C is for courageous. Courageous. You want to speak out of the box? Do something courageous. And Luana spoke courageously today. She spoke about something that was very near and dear to her heart, and you could feel it. You could feel her love. You could feel her vulnerability, right? Took a lot of courageousness to finally open up and to share and be share that kind of vulnerability. All right. So we need to be courageous. Now, I don't ever want any of you to share anything you're not comfortable with. I don't ever want you to share anything that's going to leave a scar on your audience. You've heard me say that before. I don't want you to leave anything that people are going to, judge you and all of that. I'm not saying that. But when we say our feelings, that's what I'm talking about. Our feelings. We can share our feelings without judgment normally, right? And that's what Dr. Luana shared, her feelings. That's what you could see and hear. She didn't tell us all the little details or whatever, the personal stuff, but we got it because of the feelings. And that's what takes courageousness.